Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go over this bitch in 2021 GMC 2500 Denali. Customer gave us a ring, says, hey, I got this white Denali coming, and I'm a matte black type of guy, so I want this thing all white and all matte black. So a truck came in, we had a chrome grille, we removed that, our painter painted it matte black, we got the white and matte black GMC. We chose our Delta Series bumper, did the center section matte black as well as the screens, and then we did color match the monster hooks and the wings to this awesome white color. Real deep color. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Super cool color. So we tied all this together, and then to complete the front end, we sent our headlights off the Eco Tint, got rid of the chrome, did the white in here, smoked out the side reflector lights, put this whole thing together, and it's not going to be confused with any other trucks on the road. So for the suspension, we did our front Kelderman 7 and 9 kit. We threw in our upper control arms, did our matte black and our white backdrops. We did our Kelderman Raptor shocks, which are tuned for this torsion front end. And the ride on this thing is phenomenal. We are ecstatic with how good this thing rides. And then we also, part of our front kit is we use kryptonite sway bar end links and tie rod ends. Getting a heavy duty kit, you need some heavy duty parts to support it. On all the GMC and Chevys we build, we put these caps on here that we designed. This is an injection molded cap that is angled here that allows us to get a little extra tire clearance so we don't have to run those torsion bars maxed up and have a compromised ride. So you just pop off that 6-inch mud flap that came with this. We do trim a little piece of metal behind here that gives us this extra clearance, bolt it back on the factory hardware, and we're ready to go. So our wheel and tire combination is we did some 22-inch American Force Rooks, and then we did the Toyo MPs, and these are 37 by 13.5 by 22s. We also chose not to do anything with the wheels except leave them matte black. We even got matte black lug nuts on there. So we didn't, sometimes we'll do the white stars and stuff like that, but just the way the truck laid out, we decided to leave it all matte black. So for the rear suspension, we use our Kelderman 4-link rear. This is a 6 to 8-inch lift, so we got a little bit of adjustability depending on what size of tires and where we set the torsion bars on the front end. Then we have the, again, the Kelderman tuned Raptor shocks. And then we got the white badges to go behind the Kelderman logo on the rear, just like we did on the front. Everything's got a white background. And this is an actual textured powder coat, so it's a real durable texture that we've been using for quite a while now, and it's becoming more and more popular. You can also see right here, that's our mechanical height control arm. And this, for the Chevy systems, we use a height control valve on each side. We've got our tank and compressor set up, and we mount that in where the spare tire used to go. Coming around to the rear of the truck, we decided to use our Delta rear bumper. Just like the front, we did a color matched wings with a matte center, and we also did matte monster hooks here on the rear. We debadged the entire vehicle, took off the chrome, painted in black, worked over the GMC logo. Just like the front, we got the rigids backup lights here. And then we got a cool little bracket for our mechanical systems for these GM trucks so that we can take 4 horn blasters, put them on the bracket, and just tie into our air management system. Hit the button, you got your blast. So for all you Midwest guys, this truck's not going too far from mile. It's just going across the border in Illinois. So keep your eye out for this thing. Make sure you give them a big thumbs up when you see them.